to my channel, and as you guys can maybe tell, I've changed things up a little bit in the background. I have now decorated for Valentine's Day, which I just kind of decorated the background for Valentine's Day. I don't like decorate my whole room or anything for Valentine's Day, but I just thought it'd be kind of cute to change it up in the background for you guys and for me, because I do love Valentine's Day. I think it's a fun holiday, and I love holidays. So guys, today we are changing things up a little bit on my channel. We are going to be doing a battle of the boxes. We're doing Ipsy versus Boxycharm to see which box won, because you pretty much pay about the same price for each box, since this is the Ipsy Plus box and you get 5 full-size products in each box. So I kind of wanted to try something a little bit different on my channel. Instead of doing 2 separate videos for each box, I just thought I'd do one video. And please let me know if you want me to keep doing both in one video or do 2 separate videos. I would love some feedback on that, guys. And without further ado, let's just dive in, guys. So we're gonna get started with Boxycharm first. And the theme for this month is called Boxy and Chill. And let's see, let's get started. So first up is this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick and Havana Nights. There's the packaging. And here's a swatch for you guys. It is actually kind of dark and vampy looking, which I feel like this is kind of like a deep shade that you'd include in a January box. Like, why not put this over there in September or October or November's box? Like, this is really dark for January, I feel like. And then next up in the box is this Bridgette Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Conditioning Spray. It smells really good, has a good mist, so I'm excited about this. I have had a Bridgette product in the past and I've really enjoyed it, so I'm probably gonna like that one. Next up is this Starlux Black Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. Here's what it looks like. It swatches pretty good. It's pretty dark. It's not like super dark. This would probably be a good pencil to use on your lower lash line, something like that. I don't think it would work very good as like an actual liner to like create that perfect cat eye look. And then next up is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. And the packaging on this is really cute, but the inside is very boring. Like, I'm not even excited about this. I really wish I was, but I'm not even going to swatch this, guys. I'm just going to leave it like this and put it in my giveaway box that I have going for you guys for when I reach 1,500 subscribers here on my channel. So this is going to be going straight into the giveaway box. And then the last thing I have in the box is these 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I am excited about these because I do have the Tatcha water cream and it's really nice, so I'm excited about these. So that is it for Boxycharm. And let's dive into Ipsy and see what I got in Ipsy this month. So here's what the inside of the Ipsy box looks like. Lots of boxes this month. So first up, I see I got a Bridgette product in Ipsy as well, which is kind of interesting. It's a repetitive leave-in conditioning spray, but this is Rosarco Milk. I know I'm butchering that name. I feel like both of these Bridgette products are pretty much the same, but like, here's the one I got in Boxycharm and Ipsy, and like there's like legit, this one's 5 ounces and this one's 2 ounces. So that's interesting. Then I got this Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. And I've had a couple of Hey Honey products in the past and I've really enjoyed them. And this packaging, y'all, is really cute. I'm enjoying this. It smells pretty good. And I'm actually going to start doing like actual morning skincare routines and evening skincare routines, because I don't really have like problematic skin, but I would like to just start doing a routine, because I have been sent like quite a few skincare items through my subscription services, and I want to like actually use them. So I'm going to go ahead and try to incorporate that into my skincare routine. And I also was sent this Murad acne controller, so I will go ahead and include that in the routine as well. So next up is this Ico eyeliner. And I have had this eyeliner before in the Ipsy bag a while back, just like a sample size. And I really did enjoy it. And there's a swatch of it, and it is a really black liner, so I will be using this. I am excited about that. Next up is this Vasanti Matte Crush Lipstick Pencil. It's a smudge proof, creamy with a matte finish so your lips won't dry out, long lasting and waterproof. So, and it also comes with a pencil sharpener, so that's kind of cool. So here's what it looks like. It actually looks pretty close to the same shade I got in the Ofra lip color in the Boxycharm. So that's kind of weird. I've gotten like 3 products that are almost identical in each box. So the last thing in the Ipsy box is this Violet Voss Fun Size HG eyeshadow palette. Now we got the Violet Voss HG like full size palette in our December Boxycharm. So I don't know if I'll actually go ahead and keep this one. So here's what it looks like. It is very pretty. The shades are super pretty. But this is the Violet Voss HG Pro palette. And like they look exactly identical. The shades are pretty much the same. So I don't know if I will be keeping this little mini fun size palette or not. I might just go ahead and stick this in the giveaway as well. My giveaway is like really growing. I'm probably going to end up splitting it up into 2 giveaways. That way I can like 2 or 3 to that way like multiple people can win, and either just like do like 3 giveaways like all within the same video. That'd be really exciting. So that is it for the Ipsy box versus Boxycharm January month. Let me know what box you guys feel like won for the month. I would like to know, but in my opinion, I feel like Ipsy won, just because like the eyeshadow palette in it was like, I would actually use that if I didn't already have the Violet Voss like full size palette. And then the lipstick is not quite as dark as the other one, even though it's pretty close, but I would come closer to wearing this one over the other one that I was sent, the Ofra one. And then the eyeliner is a felt tip, and I would use a felt tip more than a mechanical pencil. And then I am excited about the Hey Honey serum. So yeah, I'm gonna say that Ipsy won this month than Boxycharm. So I'm excited for this new video series, I guess you could call it, on my channel, Battle of the Boxes or whatever. But without further ado, guys, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.